Longri Kreni Sarhabia Mai Tiripia Mai Hinpen Nagalena Hoylong Longi Kisom Ponjia Pan Kachisi. West Karbi and Long Karbi Farmers Association at Tumpen Hanjang Chili Keron. HDP Welfare Society NGO Sai Hemlong ke Joypen Mekeso Kelanga Sai Kedeng. Kardom Karbi Prime Time Longpen Nili Birta Thanbang Sami Monica Milikpi Nom Birta Tonpen Arjuita. Longi Krehini Sarhabia Mai Tiripia Mai Hinpen Nagalena Hoyalong Longi Kesong Ponje Apan Kachisiga Birta Haikuni Nipai ke Thomani Perang ke Stefan Teron Pen Birta Pali. Longri Krehini Sarhabia Mai Tiripia Mai Hinpen Nonang ke Leji Paikuni ni Paikret Roxier ni ada por pai ke Bapor Pen Lahorijana Hawar Karbiang Long Pen Nagalena Hoyalong Longi Sompon Popusi Longri Krehini Sarhabia Mai Mai Pu Mensing Teron Pen Pachini La Solong Hampanga Song Doan Mai Pu Kongchun Bang Karbi Kuru Searching Room Mai La Pen Ronga Saratum Doan Ta Kachetong Dunji Apan Longri Krehini Sarhabia Mai Pu Mensing Teron Pen Kacheneng Ri Padopon
Non ke banji Nipai Tarekret Roxiarni Lahorian Atimalong Nilitum Longri Krehini Sarhabia Mai Ahin Pen Nong e nong chong ki damji la sila bangsorni karbiang long karbia khaya song ke doan mai phu la pen kong chun bang la pen ronga sar ke doan hala bangsorni nagachi tong dun pe ji phansi nilitum long ri krehini sarbia mai hin pen nalitum phan chuning ri eklo kardong
Man Kedo Assam Education Minister Siddhartha Bhattacharya Aphan Phaikuni ni Phai Siar ni Dispur Guwahati along KSYC KFA Lapen KSU Atumpen Karbiang Long Aphan Karbiang Long Termas Council Ahin Pensi Tera Satlang Kapayan Nang Japhan Kachingwai Dama Puthak Phaikuni ni Phai ke Thomar ni Pherang Kepen Birdang Pali Karbiang Long Aphan Karbiang Long Termas Council Ahin Pensi Tera Satlang Payan Long Nang Jipura Kachingwai Dama Hut Karbiang Long Termas Council CM Tulam Ronghang EM Education in charge Jagat Singh T MP Horen Singh Bay EM Mongol Singh Timung Lapen La Solong KSYC Mai Phu Prakash Terang KFA Mai Phu Tingkuing T Lapen KSU Pen Sarim Tokbi Atum Chetong Dun Man Kido Education Minister Bhattacharya Pen Lang Litum Kachun Ridam Alamat Teng Pen Prop Jin Pen Saike Ponje Aphan Pachini Dun Lapen Puthot La So Putha Prop Jin Pen Kachingwai Kapa Du Bon Thuji Aphanta Education Minister Hin Pen Alang Litum Aphan Pachini Dun Thu West Karbiang Long along Phaikuni ni Phai ke Thomar ni Karbi Farmers Association atumpen KFA ro atum aphan Hanjang Chili Kerona Birta Kadnyo Sai Hemalong Birta Pale West Karbiang Long District Karbi Farmers Association atumpen Karbi Farmers Association aro atum phanan Hanjang Chili Kerona Sai Kedeng Hanjang Chili Keron lake men miji aro nihang arong aro lapen hunmili aro pen Bangpharo Plira Bangpho Kebatum Chetong Dun Hanjang Chili Kerona Mai along West Karbiang Long District KFA aro Amai Phuduge Swaring T Chunbang Raja Singh Hi Pen Chenglok Klembang Phu Atum Ta Chetong Dun Non Molom So Porphan Birta Moing Topai Senang
A huge Deepavali Dhamaka offer on electronic appliances. So complete your home with electronic with the best technology. Come and grab with the best offer on LED TV 24-inch with the best price of only rupees 5,000 with 1-year warranty. 32-inch of rupees 7,300 only. Android Smart TV of 40-inch, 45-inch and 55-inch at the lowest price. On special offer in inverter battery, luminous and inverter battery with solar, iron and steel bed with an affordable price. For more details, kindly contact 8812053818, 93656322872 or 8638198316. Citra Electronics Shop located at Bokulia Difu Road, 782482 Karbi Anglong, Assam.
Ganj Shopping Mall is a Gulf of Assam Enterprise and the Hill Areas Department. A glorious 1 year now.
Here's everything you need: groceries and household supplies, cosmetics, personal care and skincare essentials, appliances and electronics, stationery, men's and women's clothing along with tribal clothing. Also a huge Durga Puja offer on Swati brand, an offer you cannot refuse. Shopping Mall, Difu Manja Road, Manja Industrial Complex, 782461, Manja, Karbi, Assam.
Claret Unisex Beauty Parlor hinben warsai kemi kipipon. Lasi lasonover sai kemi along ninghangatum ali chuan dunik tha. Warsai kemi laki chiklo jontro kophan kapamala seke piponji. Lasi apor panhok he pinpen Claret Unisex Beauty Parlor along patebok damiknon, rong parpi rong berot, near Iron Bridge, Difu Karbi Lasi lan sose kachini le thoji aphan laswa number 600-121-3664 along Humriknon.
Simonjir Children Park cum picnic spot. A place to visit for sure. The park is filled with eye-catching flowers, some medicinal plants and nursery. A perfect place for your children and family. For more queries, please contact 91014-33731, 93652-07012. Simonjir Children Park, Chirikangnet, Ward number 4, Difu, Karbi Anglong. Wang tha wang ik tha electronic hormone ang litum ador kijum hek pen long pon ikji lase apor pacheton dun pen warsai kemi chu endun iksana nang litum long pon ikji lake fridge long aprin LG Samsung Sony Whirlpool Haier TV long aprin dolake LG Samsung BPL Akai washing machine aprin lake Samsung LG Haier lapen ke du thulang Plastic chair table, steel lapen plywood furniture, lapen ke solar inverter da longpon ikji. Lasinang litum na humri ignon Asok Prasad Chateri, Bukulia Electronic and Electrical Akulat, Bukulia Main Market, Karbi Anglong, Assam.
Claret Beauty Salon Unisex is opening its door for 6-month crash course on beautician and cut. Interested person may kindly come and contact Claret Beauty Salon Unisex near Iron Bridge, Rongparbi, Rongbi Road, Difu, Karbi Anglong. Document requirements are recent photograph, voter ID and caste certificate. Dihinamo Pibuthat Birta along Wangtuiglo. Lion Club Jorhadatum Kachapatir Pipon along HDP Welfare Society NGO Lapen AJYCP Karbi Anglong District atum Phaikuni ni Phaike Thomania da Porphai Kresia Pormalompen Mekeso Kelang along Kachera Pochito no Birta Pherangke Anante Rangpen Birtang Pale Labangso Mekka Chelang Dunalong Bangpharo isi so se sarpi sar photum Chelang Dunrinti Ladak Kelang Una Tom Phanan ge Dowai Pidunlo Lapen non Mekeso Kelang Un Ea Tum Phanan ge Jorhada Longan Ponpo Latake Joy Pensi Lang Ponpo Labangso Asai Kapachun Japan HDP Welfare Society NGO BD Sar Sing Timung Dode Sang Sepen Sai Deng Ponlo Alang Lilong HDP Welfare Society NGO Maipu Lapen Chun Bangatum Cherap Chetodun Pini Se Kelang Pona Doctor Atum Lake Dr. Bikas Saha Dr. Sonju Samrat Medhi, Lason Seri Sanghotum Bornali Tamuli, Bhanu Bora, Rumi Saikia, Laban Madhav Sarma, Anparta Bangso Asai along KLA BD Sarbarim Ingti, AJYCP, Karbi Anglong District Committee Amai Puji to Pukon, Rat Cyclem Bang Chandra Singh Teron, Penchenglo, Kitihiding Atum, Chetong Dunsi, Ake Joy Pen Mekachelang along, Chirap Chetodun. Karbi Prime Time Bang Kela Ponsi Kang Topailo, Domitak Me, Kurwang Tu.